A silver alert has been issued for the Apache County Sheriff's Office. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The Apache County Sheriff's Office is looking for an 11-year-old male named Preston Michael Owens. He is 3 feet, 8 inches tall, weighs 90 pounds, and has brown eyes and black hair. He was last seen afoot in the area of Highway 191 and milepost 341, wearing a black Batman shirt, plaid pajama bottoms and no shoes. Milepost 341 is 25 miles north of St. John's. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.